3, 2, 1.
So one of the great things about our brand now is that we really are multi-generational and for all ages. About nearly 40% of our business is teens, tweens, and adults. So the rooftop's going to be fun for everyone, but we talk about the whole building. The multi-level building is going to be a place that kids will love and adults will appreciate.
Yeah, so
Can you give us some details on the inside?
Yeah,
Is there a restaurant or?
There will be a food and beverage component, and that will be located on that rooftop. We have an enclosed part of the rooftop and then an outdoor part of that rooftop. There'll be different elements as we move through. We'll also have a courtyard right down here that will be really fun as you exit the workshop. It's called Till Next Time. And then there's a really fun area that'll be out here. So there'll be opportunities for food and beverage there as well.
Is there anything at this location that would be a first for Build-A-Bear?
Yeah, there'll be a lot of new experiences and a lot of enhancements to our current experiences. So those will be in here, a higher level of customization, a higher level of personalization, more interactivity throughout the entire workshop. There'll be fun throughout. There'll be reasons to go to different levels, a slide and different things that'll be happening there. So yes, it will be, but it'll be true to the Build-A-Bear experience. And that's what was so important about the heart ceremony today. That will be true to our experience, but it'll be added, enhanced, more personalization, more customization.
Is this going to be the largest Build-A-Bear?
This will be the largest Build-A-Bear currently that we have.
Fair
Yes.
to call it like a hub for the company?
Yeah,
or?
yeah. It's interesting. We were trying to think of how we wanted to describe it, and it's iconic in Icon Park, and so that really stuck. So we call it our iconic multi-level Build-A-Bear workshop.
And then
Go ahead.
in the artwork, you can see a front door. Is that on this side or is that out by the street?
Yes. So the front door will be right here on the angle. So the front door will be here on an angle, and then on the iDrive side, and this location right here, will be a 3D screen. It will be an incredible LED 3D screen that will have all kinds of amazing graphic and content on there. So it's going to be a real, not traffic stopper from cars, but it will be a pedestrian stopper. Everyone's going to want to see what's on that screen.
So when you're upstairs at the grassy area in
Yeah.
the restaurant, you're overlooking iDrive.
No, you'll be overlooking this way.
Okay.
So the screens will be that way. You'll be overlooking. So imagine you're up there and you're doing something special. Maybe you want to come to Build-A-Bear to do a gender reveal. And all of a sudden you're building your bears, you're watching the giant eye, and it turns pink, it turns blue. And that's a part of the Build-A-Bear experience and the Icon experience, how we'll tie, that's just one example, how we'll tie those things together. I think of this as a blank canvas, not a blank piece of ground. So when you have a blank canvas and you can build it from the ground up and have it really be built for your experience, that is a huge advantage. It'll really be a showcase as we bring our license partners in. You know, we carry all kinds of different licenses. As we bring our international partners in, this will really be a place where it will show off the full breadth and depth of our brand and our brand experience. So how do you take this experience and equate that in a 2,000 square foot store, in a 3,000 square foot store, in another part of the world? So that will be amazing for us to be able to use this as our true showcase.